Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jincy and I'm on a journey to become debt free. But today I want to teach you how I made those envelopes here. Super cute, super fun. I will let you know I'm not the best at explaining, and also the screen that you're going to see next, it's very tiny. I don't know how you guys make a big screen, but I recorded on my phone. But here is some Easter and here's a happy birthday one. Two different styles, as you can see, one with a clear top and the other one with no clear top. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this quick fun video, and I tried my best to explain like I said. And yeah, see you guys on the next video. Hey guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to make some envelopes. So first thing first, you're gonna go to Canva and create a blank page. Then you're gonna go to Elements and search line. And then some of those lines, you do have to be a membership for you to get it, but try your best to find one that doesn't have any squiggly line if possible. There's all kinds in there. So we're going to go ahead and do the line. Once you go ahead and find the line that you want, you're going to go ahead and do, sorry, I'm trying to do the computer too. So for width, you're going to do 7.1, okay, for width, 7.1 for width, and then a 3.4 for the other width, which goes down. I'm sorry, I try my best to do it like sideways, but on the phone you can't do sideways, so this is the only option I have, okay? So I hope you enjoy and like it. Hopefully this helps. I'm trying my best, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and do the other line, and this one is gonna be for a 3.4, and then you're gonna make it straight, 90 degrees, so it can be straight. I'm over here like thinking what to do. So now you're going to put them, or put it close or almost close to the other line in there. And you're going to repeat that. So you're going to go ahead and copy and paste the same line, or which is right there in that little plast on the second one, or you can just select on the elements and search for the line, whatever you prefer. So here you go, I'm copying and paste on that. It's so hard to do this on the phone, you guys. I was trying my best, but it's hard to record. Well, it's not hard to record, but it's hard to try to do this, on the phone. All right, so there you have it. There is the size of the envelope, okay? Once you go ahead and do that, now you go back to the elements and you search whatever you need this for. It can be for a birthday, it can be for Easter, it can be for car payment, it can be for anything. So you click on the elements and you search whatever you're looking for whatever you need the envelope. So here I'm searching for Easter. This can be for anything, a birthday for Easter, gifts for Easter, anything, you name it. There's a lot of graphics in there. This is the one I chose. Most of them, you do have to be a membership, but there is a lot of freebies in there. It's just all on preference on the design. So I'm over here trying to put it center if possible. And then I'm going back to elements and I'm going to go ahead and do an Easter that says Easter. So I'm gonna click on this one that says Easter. Super cute. I'm gonna make it as big as I can so it can be in the center. And then you see here where you put it right there, like that little egg drop. It's kind of like, I don't know how to tell you, but you go to the layouts, or position, I should say position, and you click backwards. So once you click that, it makes the little eggs come forward and the Easter go backwards, if that makes sense. I hope that makes sense, you guys. But if you see, when you click on position, not layout, sorry, position, you will make that, you're going to make it go backwards, the names, and then basically the little egg drops come forward, which I think is so cute. Here we're going to create another one so we don't waste our paper. We're going to go ahead and create another one here. So you repeat the same thing, 7.1, across, 3.4 down, copy and paste, and you do the same thing. And then on this one, you can create another one the same, or you can just create whatever you preferred. Here, I'm actually going to do a happy birthday one, which is just so cute. Here, I'm trying to speed everything up so you won't hear me talk. So that's what I'll be doing right here. Here is the happy birthday one that I decided on. I'm going to go ahead and make it in the center if possible. I make it as big as I can. You know, you gotta play with it, and then there is a lot of choices there that you can pick from. Some of them are free, some are not, like I have said before. I'm going to go ahead and do this like confetti effect in the background because, you know, it's a birthday theme. So I'm gonna go ahead and enlarge this. This does not matter because you're gonna cut in the lines. So you make it as big as you want, and then you play with whatever centerpiece you have, which right here it's the happy birthday one. And on this one, we're gonna go ahead and do the position as well. We have to click position. Once you click that, you're gonna click to back. So it is for you to put the confetti to the back and bring the happy birthday out forward, if that makes sense, so it doesn't look blurry. I hope this makes sense, but if you do that, it will help out with your design. And there you have it, guys. Very easy peasy. So here, like I said, I'm playing around, just making it center big and stuff like that. And we're gonna go ahead, after that, we're gonna go ahead and download this specific print so we can go ahead and print it out. Now we're going to go ahead and print it. Click on the first arrow far to the right on the top, and you click download. When you click download, click for PDF print for best for printing. Once you do that, you can go ahead and click download, and then you can print it on your printer. I'm about to print it, and you can print yours on regular paper or vellum or cardstock, wherever you preferred. I'm gonna go ahead and print mine out on the vellum. We will see how it turns out. All right, here we go. Now you have to wait at least an hour or two, depending on how fast the ink will dry. If you do not wait, you will smear all that black in there or any of the lines. And you see how the lines are not perfect? It does not matter, because you will cut around those lines. Unless you want the border, then of course you do want those border lines to be perfectly, because some people do like that. I personally just like it just regular, but this is just kind of like a guide for you to cut them. Here it is all dried up. I don't have my tripod, so I'm gonna just show you here. Once you go ahead and cut, you're going to line it up. Oh, that's my money for my saving challenges. You're going to cut this up. You see the line, you see this right here is where it's going to cut it. So I'm going a little bit overboard from the black line here to cut this. So when I cut it, it's going to cut right there, if that makes sense. So let me go ahead and cut that. It's been cut. Look at that. You see that? Boom. Cut. This is why I tell you guys, it doesn't matter if the black line is not touching to each other, because you're gonna cut that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing for this one here and the sides. Here it is, guys. Both of them has been cut. So that's the birthday one, and here is the Easter one. See? Very, very cute. Now we're gonna go ahead and get some lamination sheets. We're gonna need 3 ml and 5 ml. Those are how thick those lamination sheets are, okay? I only have the shiny one. I don't have the matted one, but here is the 3 ml. It's very thin. super duper thin, and here is the 5 ml. This one is thick. This is the one that will make the envelope. Okay, so first thing first, we're going to go ahead and need the 3 ml, which is this one right here. We're gonna go ahead and cut them where we can make them the same size as the one we just cut. I hope that makes sense. Here's the 3 ml. We're gonna go ahead and cut, make it as big as you can so this fits. So we're gonna go ahead and cut. Ooh, this is a, hold on, let me see. Recording with one hand and doing stuff with the other is no joke. All right, so here you have it. It's definitely a lot bigger than this. So now where you're gonna go ahead and grab this, you're gonna peel it, okay? You see that? And then put it backwards. You see this? Now turn it around like that, and boom. Boom, there you have it. Now we're going to align this and cut the surrounding, but we're going to go ahead and leave a little inch right here on the top. So when we cut this at the end, it will open. Here you have it. Hope that made sense. Trying my best, you guys, I promise. See how I left a little bit of space in there up top? So be careful when you do this. Do not let stuff get in there, because if you do, you know, it happens. But yeah, so there, I cut this one. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the birthday, do the same step as this. Now guys, we're going to go ahead and put this here. We're gonna stack it up, make sure it is aligned correctly. Okay, both of them, we're gonna put them inside the 5 ml. Yes, papi. So we're gonna do this, open it up and put them inside here. Okay, inside there for us to laminate in the lamination. Here is how it looks. Don't mind this, it's very like dirty, but it's clean, I promise. And make sure that this is aligned good, because you don't want them crooked. And now we're gonna go ahead and put it through the lamination thingy. And here it goes, you guys. Wish us luck. And yeah, and you can do this, make it go through maybe up to 3 times until all the bubbles comes out of the little lamination sheets, because sometimes you will get some bubble. Look, here is how it's looking. Look at that, there was something here dirty. Oh, you can take it off, that's good. Okay, yeah, look, see? So we're gonna do this 3 times, or as much as you need for you to not get bubbles. This is what I mean when it comes to the bubbles. You see the bubbles? Look at that. So you're gonna go ahead and run this as many times as you can for those bubbles to go away. Once you're done laminating them, you can put some books on top so the envelopes stay sturdy and not clumsy looking. Or after cutting them, you can put them on top of some books, some heavy into it, maybe a day or 2, depending. And yeah, so now we're gonna go ahead and cut them. Once you cut, you're gonna cut a little bit here, leave some room here, so room here, and the most room, leave it here. Okay, leave around maybe like the side of your finger. So you're gonna cut like right here, and then here, leave it very narrow though, like that. Guys, I hope this makes sense. When you cut it, you have the choice to cut it where that line is at, like, you know, the vellum line, or you can leave some envelope, like some clear envelope. Oh, camera's not focusing good. Or you can leave some clear envelopes, envelope up top, you know, so you can cut the vellum sides or leave some clear up top. Hope that makes sense. All right, so I did cut it already, and I did the size of my middle finger, if that makes sense. Look, okay. And now we're gonna go ahead and hole punch this. And then for the hole punch, I hope you have a hole punch. This is the one I have right here. And for my hole punch, I have mine in A5, and then on the A5 here with a little bit of side here. Guys, I'm not the best at explaining, but you know, I try my best. Okay, and ta-da, it is hole punched. Now we're gonna go ahead and do this. Here is how it turned out. I'll be honest with you, the Easter is the one that turned out pretty good. So here's this one with a little clear up top, or look at the birthday one without the clear up top, you see. So it all just comes to preference. Let me try put some money in there on the Easter, and I'll show you how it looks. There is a $1 bill for the Easter, and see, super cute. I love it. I'm obsessed. I hope you enjoy this. Hope you like this, and let me know if you guys have any suggestion or anything else. And yeah, see you guys on the next one. Bye.